Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to flip horizontal. So for example, I will draw with these pen tools. And if you want to flip horizontal the sketch, you can go to edit menu, click transforms, and then click flip horizontal. Click OK to set. If you want to flip horizontal the canvas, you can go to edit menu, click on rotate or flip canvas, and you can choose the flip horizontal to be flip the canvas horizontal. How about image? So you can insert the image, and if you want to flip, you can rasterize. Right click on layer, click rasterize, and then you can go to edit, transforms, click flip horizontal. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to flip horizontal.